Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and the video for today is we gonna do unboxing. Mostly of this is my gift from my birthday and the gift that I'm gonna give it to my husband. Very soon it's his birthday. So tara guys, let's go! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and the video for today is we're gonna do unboxing. Happy Wednesday everyone. Wednesday is my fashion vlog. So the first thing that I'm gonna unbox is this one. My husband went to Nebraska for filming and he buy me this. He said it's the continuous for my birthday present. So let's see guys what he has, and look at that. So this is the one, it's the hoodie guys. I love it because you know soon it's gonna be winter here, and its sea is Omaha, Nebraska. I love this one. Finally, I have this color because mostly of my hoodie and jacket is black and gray. This one is a kind of bluish color. So I don't know, I'm just gonna put that one down there. And then the second one is this one, because my coworker, she did not attend for my birthday party at work and also at the restaurant when we celebrate. He said he bring me this. He went for vacation. So let's open what is this. I'm so excited. So it says Dior. So hopefully it's Dior. Hopefully it's not a prank. So let's see this one guys. Wow. I'm just gonna put the box in here. Yeah, it's a Dior papers. This is how the different one. Oh wow guys, it's a t-shirt and its C is Christian Dior Boutique Paris. So let's see guys. Wow, I'm so excited. I'm gonna see that. Oh, here we go guys. I love it. Wow, and I love the color black and white, and it's see here is Dior also, and the brand tag here. So thank you so much Gladys, thank you. And then the next one guys is we're gonna continue for the Dior. So actually this one, my friend, she's so lazy. I said I'm lazy to wrap it your gift. So she gave me this, is a foundation. It says Dior Forever Caution Powder. So and it has a Dior. And look at this. Oh wow, I love it. Look at that. I love it guys. Thank you so much Roti. And then this one, you know why I want to unbox right away? Because soon is my husband's birthday and I buy this at Macy's. So hopefully he like it. This is the first time that he gonna have this because I know the brand of his products that he uses is a Gucci. So hopefully he like it because this is the first time that I'm gonna give it to her. By the way guys, mostly of this is a continue for my gift, birthday gift I mean. So let's open this. Look at this. That's why I get this one guys, because there's a bag. So look at that. So for travel, and it's see here also is a Dior. There's some Dior name, and you can even put something in here. And then let's see what is inside. Oh my God, my hair. Let's see. Let's do that for my hair. I'm gonna put it this side, guys, because this is a glass in here and I don't wanna break it, the glass. See, wow. Look at this. This is small one. This is the traveling perfume. Is it perfume or cologne? Savage. And it has the D&D here. And here also, guys. Hope he like it. I'm wishing. And there's some your signature and your signature at the bottom. So let's put this one here. And there. I'm scared maybe it's gonna roll through my glass and gonna break it, my glass. So next one, guys, is let's open this Chanel bag. Don't expect the purses because this is a small paper bag and I have it this. So I'm just gonna put it there. And let's see what I'm gonna have. Oh, it's a lipstick, guys. Look at that. It's a good one. Wow, it's another one. It's a lipstick also with a Chanel logo. And this one is a mascara. So let's open. This is the first time that I'm gonna have a mascara, but lipstick and foundation, I have it that before. And this is the one. So let's see how to open this. How to use for the mascara. Oh, here we go. I never had this, so I'm so sorry. Oh, wow. Now I know. I love it. It's so cute. See, and then, oh, okay, and pause it back. And here's the eyeshadow. Oh, with a tiny bag. I love it. And here, there's a logo for the Chanel also here. And this one is with the logo of the Chanel. And how to open, oh, the cover. This is the one, guys. It's so nice. So now, I don't know how. Oh, there you go. This, I have my eyeshadow now. I'm gonna put it this for this tiny bag. I love it. So, that's the one that I have. And the last one, but not the least, is this bag. Oh, this box. So let's see what is in here. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's a Chanel Beauty. So from Paris. Thank you so much. One of my friends gave me this. She went to Paris, but she doesn't want to mention her name. Look at that. It's a Chanel, guys. And I love it. I can put it this one here for travel because we always travel. Me and my husband we always travel. We have a schedule already to go for the Thanksgiving and for Christmas and New Year's. So I'm all of my travels is I'm gonna put it that to my, I'm gonna use one of my Chanel lipstick. So I'm gonna use it. Wow, I love it. This is perfect. I'm doing for the models. I love it, guys. And then, by the way, guys, I need to promote my, sorry, I have a lot of mist here. Let me put it down so that it's kind of clear. And let me promote my blog, guys. Every Monday is for my food restaurant, the food that we cook in here, and Wednesday is my Wednesday fashion blog, like unboxing collections, what I have in here in my closet. And also Friday is for my travel blog. Friday is about the hotel, restaurant, the places that we went, and all the experience and adventure that I'm gonna have and I'm gonna experience for my travel. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like it, my video. See you soon.